Hey, my name is Nicolas Landel. I'm the French farm manager in Simiane-la-Rotonde for the Young Living farm. We are here at the Einkorn facility of the farm where we take care of all the einkorn. Einkorn is a grain that has never been transformed, it's never been crossed, it's never been hybridized, and that's why we love it. It's the oldest version of wheat there is, and that's why we grow it. Did you know that einkorn is a low-maintenance crop? It doesn't need anything added. Fertilizer, no irrigation, no products. All it needs is sun, rain, and love. We grow einkorn in France, and we've been growing it for many years for a simple reason. It's an awesome rotation crop with lavender. After we grow lavender for 10 years, we would take the lavender out and plant einkorn. It replenishes the nutrients of the soil, and it would also break all the cycles for bugs and stop disease and things like that. We do different things with einkorn here, but the main thing we do is mill it and transform it into flour. The first thing we would do is we would take the husk off of the berry. To do that, we have a hammer turning really fast in a die, and it'll push the grain off and the berry out of the husk through little holes. Once we've dehusked the einkorn, we have to clean, and to do that we have two cleaning units. The first one, it will suck everything lighter than the grain, and it will shake everything heavier than the grain. Then we will send to the second machine, which is like a big laundry machine. It'll turn really fast and it'll separate anything longer or shorter than the grain. At the end of this process, we have a very clean berry, an edible berry, but we still have one machine. That is the optical cleaner. The optical cleaner will look at the color on each berry. If there's anything off colors, it'll blow on that little particle and take it out. We would then send the berries to the mill where we would grind the berries into flour. We have two big stones that turn in opposite direction, crushing the berries into flour. Once the berry is crushed, we can send it to a Panacea, which is like a sifter. We can take the amount of bran we want out. Our flour is then ready, and then we can transform it into any product we want. And that's where you get your einkorn from.